brakes, boy. Them breezes ain't no joke.
And that's what they call me. Promise that you never be.
It's your boy, T-Lite. Oh yeah. We in a 5.0 today, man. We in Sis car right now. I just threw it in sports mode. We about to go try to pick some rims out for the 5.0. Quicksilver. You know? I'm excited. She let me drive her car. So much more technology than mine. Have yet to do a review on this car. I will. I did a slight review on one of my videos, but not a real review. I'm gonna give y'all an in-depth review when I get a chance. But you know, I got a lot of things going on. A lot of things going on, meaning I work 12 hours a day. So, you know, work with me. But today we're going to look at some rims. We probably ain't gonna pick no rims out, but we're going to look. I'm just, man, we probably gonna pick something out. Let me stop lying. Stop lying, because somebody's like, man, I ain't watching this video. I'm gone. We ain't window shopping, but they pull my phone out. Yeah. I feel like a champ driving this. I feel like I got a little bit of money. Do I look good? Put in the comments if I look like I'm supposed to be in one of these. And then Carnage is gone. He's out of here. He gone. So somebody said, man, get a 5.0. Bye, Carnage. I lied to you. But yeah. I'm trying to get a quick little pull in this bad boy. If sis don't mind, heat this engine up. Need to be heated up. She ain't driving it right. I'm in sports mode right now too. She said she driving sports mode. Oh, look at this hating ass mother. And you gonna put your signal on at the last minute. Come on, man, old buckethead bastard. Look at you, crazy. I got a little road rage. Cause I was all the way in the wrong. That was me all the way. Let me get a quick little pull. Lord Jesus, I can feel like I'm in a Lamborghini. Woo, this bad boy ain't no, this thing crazy. Just let me drive this so you ain't gonna have no fuel left. You ain't have no more gas left in this bad boy. Ooh. Slow down, T-Lite. Before you get it. Dude, them brakes, boy, them breezes ain't no joke. Ooh wee! Y'all hear that motor too. I know y'all hear that motor. Man, this thing sounds good. I'm gonna give y'all a real review. I can't really do what I want to do because my sister in the car right now, so I can't really do what I want to do. She holding the camera. If she wasn't in the car right now, I'm trying to tell you, but probably wouldn't be no rubber left on these tires. Wouldn't be no rubber left on these tires. But yeah, we headed to Bell Tire, try to get us some rims. Should at least check on some rims. We gonna, if the price is right, we're gonna leave up out of there with some rims. But if the price is funky dunky, we're gonna walk out of there with our nose turned up. Cause we ain't overpaying for nothing. And I mean that. I would drop a name, but I ain't even gonna drop a name. He know who he is. Expensive ass. He know exactly who he is. T-Lite, one more pull. You'll die, little beaver. I think this thing might be faster than Carnage. Carnage ain't doing this. Carnage said, please, man, I get out here and knock the paint off this Mustang. Now, I don't know. This 5.0 ain't no joke. Man, sis, your car fun. I wish a cop would try to get behind me. I smoke him. I wish he would get behind me in this 5.0 premium sports package. I'm dropping all the whole, I'm dropping the whole kick and boodle. Man, this thing sounds so mean. I think you should get that X-Pipe, sis. This thing crazy. Man, let me slow down in Mexico like I ain't got no CDLs. Wait, pump your brakes, T-Lite. Psych! Okay, that's enough. This thing crazy. I put $5 in your tank. Cause I know I ate about 10. No, I ate up about $5 worth of gas. Man, this car fun as hell. You want me to use the paddle shifters?
Hell no.
You want me to use the paddle shifters and tear your transmission up? You want me to? Man, Man, this thing crazy. Look at Goofy Doofy. Since he did that dumb shit, I had to scare him. You want to pull out in front of somebody, let me go ahead and scare you with this rumble. Man, this car fun. Dude, you be doing this in your car?
No.
You don't be doing none of this?
No.
So you don't do none of this? So I'm being real disrespectful. Go T-Lite. No, I ain't gonna do it no more. I ain't gonna do it no more. This thing is fun. Golly. I like the way it sounds. It sounds like it's like a little sports car motor, like a little supercar. The 392, my Daytona Carnage, he just sound like a bully. This thing sound like it's gonna get gone on you. See? Man, this car, man. My next car is gonna be a Shelby Mustang GT Cobra. Buy a Hellcat. No, I gotta get a Hellcat, but this car fun. This car funner, a little bit funner than Carnage because it's so much lighter. So you really get to feel like you're moving, man. I think I'm falling in love with a Mustang. Dang. Let me roll the window down. You see how I opened it up right there? I had to open it up and see what's going. It's my sister's car, but I gotta open it up, see what's going on with it. Yeah. Sound good too, didn't it? Hell yeah. I had to let him know, you know, I opened this bad boy up. This is my car right now. See, I ain't even no hater. I even told him it ain't my car. He probably like, man. It won't, for some reason, these don't do that. I got it in sports mode, it won't turn for some reason. It'll turn. We gotta lock them tires. This acting a fool in this car. I'm acting a donkey in this car. What Bill tire at? I'll get us there in 10 seconds. Just tell me where it's at.
I don't know where it's at.
I know where it's at. I'm just playing with you.
Yeah, you acting a fool.
Get it a Mustang and just change. I'm acting brand newish.
What do you want you to burn out?
He wanted me to burn out. I wanted to tell him, man, that costs money, man. Them tires cost money. I would have burnt out, but I can't burn out doing 30 miles an hour. He wanted me to burn out behind somebody. I bet I could have fishtailed it right there, though. Come on, Sprinter. You a Look at him in here. He just hating. I'm trying to get freaky, and he hating. Nah, I'm right here at Bell Tire. What am I thinking? How freaky was I gonna get? Man, I love this car. You got yourself a winner right here. I know you're like, man, if he acting like that, what he gonna do in review? It's gonna be nothing like this. Way more boring. Nah, I'll give y'all a little something she let me. Ooh, that's nice. He got the rims on the Lincoln. That thing looking good. Pull it in the Bell Tire, man. Smell good in the mug. What you got in here? One of them Family Dollar things?
Right here.
It's the thing you get for Family Dollar?
Dollar General.
Dollar General?
Or
man, that thing
Walmart.
smell good. I need to get some of those in my car. My car don't smell like that. Carnage don't even smell. He smell like nothing. Made it to Bell Tire Real Shop. He said he ain't got nothing in the 20? I don't even have it. I don't even listen to it. Man. What's those rims you seen?
These.
Yeah.
I seen these two on your website, huh?
They really ain't got no heavy selection up here. Do y'all do duplicate rims here? Like duplicates like those? On that car? You don't do duplicates? I'm a YouTuber, man. I know you like, damn, why is he recording? Oh, God. Man, what's going on, man? Secret Service in here, man. He like, man, they looking at me like, what is you doing? Oh, these little rims in here. You TikTok, my man? What you be TikToking? The tires and stuff? Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man.
I go to car shows, I TikTok the cars.
Oh, I should have brought my card, man. We should exchange intel. I could have watched your TikToks. You could have watched my YouTube. These rims right here is nice. I like how it's got the little black inside and the little silver out there. That'll go real good with your car. But he said he ain't got nothing in 20s. But you can order them, right?
Personally, I can't. I have to.
You the manager?
Yeah, I have to be the manager because my it's something that we do list, but like here, this is my store quantity here. I don't got none, and my company quantity. We don't have any in the company. I have to email Vox or somebody. That would
carry that rim.
Yeah.
What's that? That's the one right there.
I believe that is the one that you're looking at.
This one? They come in at 20? So this does come in at 20?
It does. I don't know exactly when I can get it.
Oh, okay. And it look good too. What y'all think, man? I ain't putting no rims on Carnage, so no, I ain't gonna put no rims on Carnage yet, but man. Okay.
Like this.
Nah, I ain't really feeling that one. It ain't got enough. See, this one got so many. This one like, yeah, this got the spoke looking so good. It's so much. It looks so good. That one looks so regular. Regular schmegular.
You want the box specifically?
No, I just want something along.
We just want something that's got the same type of pattern. Something similar to this. Why don't y'all go find me some money so I can give me some real rims? I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I told him to go fund me some money so I can get some real rims. So I can give me some Forgiatos, man. GoFundMe. I'm gonna set up a GoFund. Maybe y'all can help me out, man. I can get some Forgiatos for my sis. See, it ain't even for me, it's for my sister. GoFundMe some money for some Forgiatos. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Y'all ain't gotta GoFundMe nothing, man. Just like, comment, and subscribe. And check this video out. Man, check these rims out. They ain't really got no heavy selection, but I'm pretty sure they got a lot more. This just what they got on display. We trying to get some sturdy rims. We ain't trying to get no cheapy meepies. We want something that's gonna, you hit a pothole and it's cracked. But yeah, this is what we got. This what we got right here. I'm gonna touch bases with y'all in a second. But what'd you say?
Listing for a couple of 20s, but nothing that you guys are interested in.
Is this my phone? Oh. There we go. And none of the Bill tires in this area have those in stock? Like the one in South Bend, maybe?
They may, they're, like, I have access to the company.
Oh, okay.
Inventory, but I don't know exactly where they're at.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not looking good, unfortunately.
Man, you sure know how to ruin her day. You just gonna ruin her? Ain't nothing. I'm just messing with you, man. But you got all type of tires in there, though.
Oh yeah.
I'm just messing with you.
Yeah, we can find some tires.
No, you can find some tires for it, but you can't find us no rims, though. These rims, I like these. This would look perfect on the car. So, if you could get these rims, it might just take a little while in the 20.
Yeah.
Like what's a little while? A week or two?
I'm not sure, to be honest. I'd be guessing at this point.
Guessing a week.
Maybe two.
Oh, I thought you was like, yeah, I'd be guessing about a week, man. I was finna say, man, we get that Bell Tire discount, man. We wait that week. Man, them would look perfect on your car. That'll look crazy. That'll have a Mustanky looking good. Quicksilver, really look quick.
Let me go see this car. Where's it at?
Out there, right there. You give us our discount, man. I'll let you take it around the block. How I'm gonna say I'm gonna let him take your car around the block though? Man.
Oh yeah, that's real nice.
It's gonna look nice on there, wouldn't it? Man.
Black on silver.
That'll look so good. She already got the stripe going down. Man, that looks so good. That thing.
Get your information, and I'll have my manager call him out.
Okay, that'll be nice.
And then he'll give you a call when he finds
I just want y'all to look at Quicksilver real quick. Then I'll head back in there. But look at this thing, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna give y'all a review of this bad boy. Quicksilver is what she called her car, Quicksilver. I'm definitely gonna give y'all a review. 2019 premium package, top of the line, top of the. It don't get no more topper than this. Well, yeah, it do, but you know what I'm saying. It looks so good, but I'm definitely gonna give y'all a review on this. I'm definitely gonna hit y'all up with a review. But yeah, like I said, we just came here to check out, get some rims, look at some rims. We done went to a couple other places, but I figured I'd hit y'all up and let y'all see me, some of the daily things I be doing with my sis. That badass motherfucking Mustang right there, 5.0. And y'all see how I was moving in this bad boy. But yeah, like I said, man, I appreciate y'all joining me today. You giving them your intel, sis? I'll be out here. She giving them the intel. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, man. But you know how I end my videos. First off, let me say, man, I really am appreciative of all the people that's following me, man. I really appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. And for those who have not followed me, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscription button, hit the notification button, like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to see something in my videos, man, anybody, man, just hit me up. And if I can make it happen, you know I'm gonna make it happen. That's what I do. But if I can't make it happen, it ain't nothing I can do. But before I let y'all go, I'm definitely gonna hit you with some positive. Like I always say, stay away from negative people. They will kill your vibe. They will bring you down. Always kick it with positive people. Kick it with people that's got the same type of mind frame as you. Don't ever kick it with people that don't have the same mind frame as you. And always look to the sky, because you know sky's the limit, but sky's not the limit. But we always reaching for the sky, man. You always stay positive, man. Always keep your head up, man. Plant that seed, give it a chance to grow, man. Don't expect it to take off the gate, man. Plant it, give it a chance to grow, and great things will happen for you. And with that being said, it's your boy T-Lite. Oh yeah, and I'm out this piece. Jiddig.
That's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.